In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a NASDAQ strategy step by step from A to Z within 5 minutes. So let's get to it. Hi, my name is Tomas, also known as the Mr. Breakouts. I'm a breakout trading specialist and an internationally recognized trading author. I've traveled the world trading breakout strategies, and on this channel I will teach you my own way of finding the right trading opportunities and making real money with breakout trading. Okay, welcome back all the breakout trading specialists and all the breakout enthusiasts. Please don't forget to subscribe if you love breakout trading, and in this video I'm going to work together with you on another breakout trading strategy real time. So if you like breakout trading strategies, again, don't forget subscribe. I pushed that button a little bit earlier than I wanted before because that's what we do here. We do it every week. Every week we build strategies or explore breakout trading strategies together, and let's get to it. So let me actually go to the very beginning and let's start with the let's just start with the overview of the, let me go here. Let's start with the overview of the E-mini NASDAQ market. So I already loaded data of E-mini NASDAQ. We have them here. It's a 60-minute time frame, okay? And we start with a very simple analysis when we look on the volume. And what we can see on the volume, that basically the regular trading session starts about 9, okay? It starts 9 a.m. and it ends 3 p.m. So this is the biggest and main trading session. That's where we have volume. That's where we have the vast majority of the activity. And that's where we will pinpoint our breakout strategy development today. So we will focus on this main time frame, 9 to 3 p.m. Okay, let's go directly to it. So let's now go to the, no, sorry, not Breakout Explorer. Let's go to backtester, and let's start with long only. We will focus on long only, and let's set this same 9 to 3 p.m. because that's what we want to explore. And we will be building, the whole strategy will be built on the Mr. Breakouts formula. So in the case you don't know what it is yet, here it is. Basically, we set some point of initiation from which we will calculate a breakout space, breakout initiation, breakout, the level where the breakout should occur. So that's the Mr. Breakouts formula. And I'll tell you later where you can learn more about the Mr. Breakouts formula if you don't know anything about it yet. Now let's continue. So we will pick a very simple point of initiation. We can pick anything as a point of initiation, but for example, end of the day close is a good one. And we already know that 9 to 3 p.m. is the main session, so end of the day would be 3 p.m. now in this test, in what we're trying to build here. And we can calculate the we usually calculate the space like the ATR period multiplied by some space multiplier. Okay, so again, let me go back to this formula. We just set the point of initiation, which is the yesterday's close, and then we calculate the breakout space, long breakout space itself, which is just multiplier of ATR. So very simple. There's a bunch of other videos on this channel where you can study more about the formula. So we can keep period 14 for ATR, and we can set multiplier to 2. And then let's start with bars-based exit, and actually let's see what would happen if we would exit 24 hours, 24 bars later. And actually it's 23 because there's one hour when the market doesn't trade. So 24 hours would be minus 1 bar, minus 1 hour. And that's a super simple, that's really, guys, this is the simplest breakout strategy you can think about. There's nothing major. And let's have a look what this simple thing would look like. So here we have it. And what we can see, okay, let me switch the market quality. What we can see, there is something in it. We do have some solid base, but nothing major. It's not really nothing to write home about. But don't forget, we don't have any filters here. We have not deployed any filters here yet, and we will not in this episode. We might do this in other episode. So obviously, this still is not a good strategy. This is still not what we would trade. However, the first thing you can try is just make it a faster strategy. Maybe staying in the market 24 hours is too long. So let's just cut it to half or to just 10 hours. And let's see what happens here if we cut it to 10 hours. And now a very quick shout out to our sponsor, BreakoutOS. In the new era of AI, everything you know about building trading strategies has changed completely. All the generalist principles no longer work, and that's why BreakoutOS is a complete game changer. It is a highly specialized no-code platform built for the AI revolution. It's the choice of true breakout trading professionals, from leading retail traders to hedge funds managers. This will fundamentally transform your workflow and change your trading forever. See the paradigm shift for yourself and sign up for a completely free walkthrough at www.breakoutos.com. And that's already much better. You see, now we already have some good base. That's not bad. So let's see how multiplier. Okay, let me explain this. So we still probably would have a lot of false trades, a lot of drawdowns, a lot of sideways trades. So even most of that would be mitigated by some good filter. We still want to get rid of it. We have way too many trades. The average trade will be probably low. So what we do, we simply increase the space, which automatically brings us less trades. Okay, so now we decrease the number. And bingo, you see, equity is much smoother, and you can see last 3 years, beautiful, last 12 months, beautiful. We can even see what this would look like day by day, okay? Monday till Friday. So Thursday, Friday, well, I would probably trade all the days. Honestly, maybe we could leave out Friday. Yeah, if we leave out Friday, we get better results overall. So I would leave out the Friday, but this is a very good base. And again, it's a base. It's nothing, just it's a base for a strategy, but very, very strong one, very powerful one, okay? And now there are multiple ways to improve this. So of course you need robustness testing procedures, which you need to use yourself. You should test some filters, but this is a very strong foundation already. I'll show you the next step, which we will do together, which would be the next most logical step. But first, again, subscribe if you like content like this, because I'm releasing this kind of examples and content every single week, so you can learn how to build strategies real time with me. And now let me talk about more about the breakout trading formula. So the Mr. Breakouts formula, you can actually get it completely for free on the link below, okay? That's the free version. That's a very simplified free version, but it will get you started. Or if you want full version, then get this book. This is a book about the formula, how it works, what it does, examples, step-by-step guidance. So get this Breakout Trading Revolution book, and there you will find everything about the formula. Just go to thebreakouttradingrevolution.com, thebreakouttradingrevolution.com, and get it there, or get it on the Amazon. Okay, let me now get back to our work. So I told you we need to finalize this, not with the filter yet. We will cover filters in another episode. But what I would do now is that we have to figure out whether this multiplier tree is actually an overfit, if it's an over-optimization. And in that case, we would have to re-optimize it regularly. or if we can fix it. And we do this with the breakout space calibrator. So let me just check. We have same parameters, 9 to 3, 3 end of day close point of initiation, and number of bars exit 10. So let's do this one, and this can actually take a little bit of time because when I'm recording these videos, it uses a lot of CPU, so it gets much slower than usually. In that case, please let me go quickly here, and again, let me remind you the source. This is, let me just switch it here. This is the link below where you can get the free Mr. Breakout's formula to learn more about the formula itself. And here is the book where you can get a lot of details actually. So again, it's a quick reminder. And now let's see if we already finished our optimization, and we did. And what we can see here, okay, so this is a very, again, let me switch off this market quality. What we can see is that the breakout singularity confidence index tells us whether we need to re-optimize or if we can fix the value, okay? And this one is extremely high. This gives us confidence 100%. And number 3 space is the highest among net profit calibration, net profit drawdown calibration, and second highest among win percentage 58.4, which is very high. So this is actually very, very good. We can fix the parameter and we have a complete base. Now, before we do that, we need to make a quick test that this number 3 space holds with the breakout singularity confidence index on 75% in sample, and especially on the last 3 to 4 years. So if we go to 75%, we see that 3 is still among the highest. We still have very high confidence index. And especially last 3 to 4 years, that's the most important. We want to see the recency. Recency is more important than the whole history. It's always recency above the history. And we can see recently 3 very high, 3 very high, 3 second highest, and we still have super high 100% breakout singularity confidence index. This index is a proprietary calculation, so I'm not going to reveal to you, but it tells us it's statistically and mathematically completely safe to fix this parameter number 3 and build on it. So that's it, guys. You have your base, you have your strategy. Point of initiation is this end of close. 3 p.m. We allow entries only between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. ATR period 14, and the space is 3 times of the ATR period. Again, if you do not understand what I'm talking about, if you need more guidance, here is a completely free link below which you can study and learn about the formula. The important thing is that it doesn't need to be complicated, right? Like trading doesn't need to be complicated, breakout trading doesn't need to be complicated. You just need nuances. You need to understand how it works. You need to understand what to optimize, what not to optimize, when not to optimize. You need to achieve specialization. Here in Breakout Trading Academy, we specialize on breakout trading. We master breakout trading. I've been a breakout trading specialist for a long, long time. It's all about nuances, understanding the craft, how it works, and putting everything together. The strategy that I presented with you today is without filters yet, so you can take it and add some simple filter on top of it. I'll be talking much more about filters in some of upcoming videos. So again, if you like filters, if you want me to talk deeply about breakout filters, don't forget to subscribe because there's much more content to come. And I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you enjoyed it, then please don't forget to give us a like. And I'm super excited to see you in the next one. All you need are breakouts. Set your